Okay, so before we dive in and get into the catalog creation, let's take a look at how everything works together. So at the very top level, you have categories. And really the only purpose that categories serve are to organize products. Products don't have to be in a category. They can stand by themselves. So you could get something that looks like this. And also, categories can be nested. So you can have multiple categories within each other. Or even something like this. But this is what most people's look like. We'll come back to categories and how to use them. Let's look now at what makes up products. Products are made up of group attributes and line item attributes. These are both just called product attributes, and there's a whole section of the site to configure these. A product attribute can go either way. It can be a group attribute or a line item attribute. So take the example of a cabinet door. Let's say the product is a cabinet door, and let's say the attribute is wood type. On this product, if I make wood type a group attribute, which is common, then all the doors that I order on the line items, so this is usually quantity, width, height, are going to be this wood type. If I wanted to, I could put wood or wood type as a line item attribute, and on each line item I could select a different wood, which isn't common. But it shows you how product attributes can be used in different ways. Okay, so that's really easy. Let me see if I can confuse you. Okay, so supplies can be sold in your product catalog. So let's say not only do you build cabinets out of alder, but you also want to sell the raw lumber or hinges or glue. These are things that make up your products up here as supplies, but you also want to sell them. At the supply level, you can distinguish a supply as for sale in catalog and put it in a category. It's a simple product, a SKU based, and doesn't work exactly like a product, but you can sell it. Another type of product is a component. A component is interesting because it is made up of products. So once you've made up a catalog of products, you can then turn around and put those products into components and sell the component as a whole. So let's say you do cabinets and you repeatedly have the same companies ordering the same things. This is a base cabinet, this is an upper, etc. You can put all these into a component, and when the customer orders, he can just order 3 of these, which in turn orders 4 of these, 5 of these, so on and so forth. The component can be expanded and the products can be edited within the component. So the group and line item attributes will be available for editing within the component. So these are the different things that make up products and orders. And again, they're all organized using categories and layers of categories.